मज़हब इस्लाम है और हमारा खुदा अल्लाह ताला है, जो कि नहायत रहम और बहुत मेहरबान करने वाला है। अब इस्लाम के बारे में मैं स्पीच करने की दावत देती हूँ अल्लाह हबीब को कि वो आए और मुझे अल्लाह के इज़हार करें।
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate, respected President, teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Al-Hadi from grade 4. Today, I would like to talk about a topic that is often misunderstood and misrepresented in today's world: Islam as a peaceful religion. It is crucial to dispel misconceptions and promote justice. Mr. President, who started the first World War? Non-Muslims. Who started the second World War? Non-Muslims. Who killed 6 million Jews in the Holocaust like Hitler? Non-Muslims. Who dropped the nuclear bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan? Non-Muslims. Who enslaved about 180 million African people and 88% of them died or were thrown overboard into Atlantic Ocean? Non-Muslims. Mr. President, Islam is a religion of peace, violence and hatred, and this perspective has led to the birth of Islamophobia and direct violence against Muslims. Islam is a peaceful religion. It promotes peace, harmony and love. The true picture of Islam has never been shown on media, but yes, it teaches us that we all are equal, as Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us the first charter of human rights, discouraging violence not only against humans but also to serve the pure lovers of animals and advise to be kind to them. Islam does not teach us this. When the Ignorance was on his feet and brutality kept his pride in the relation of a man and the daughter were buried alive on that day she was born, servant pays a first life. Indeed, Islam brought peace and right with honor to women and servants. Mr. President, I ask you and I ask everyone, is the world Islam? If the international community is unable to see the unjust occupation of the world in Kashmir, has the international community died dumb and deaf since the touch to react on the violence of brutality of Israeli and Palestinian, respective to the age and gender? Are they continuing to be peace? Is this the peace we are talking about? No, Mr. President, no. By pointing out 2 million people, it's not going to make everyone feel safe and sound. First of all, you need to define terrorism properly. So let's remove these double standards and then come to the point. First of all, I am proud to be a Muslim. Islam is a religion of peace that encourages followers to live harmoniously to promote justice and peace. I request you all to unite and work day and night for the glory of Islam and give us a shut-up call to all these double standards and those who are defending our peaceful religion, which is Islam. Thank you.
अब मैं आप सबकी भरपूर तालीम और इस को दावत देती हूँ कि वो आएँ और हमारे प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाएं।